guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. I went to CVS and I did some quick deals and I decided to share them in case anybody needs an idea. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go pick up some deals. The first deal I'll pick up is on Crest Mouthwash. They on sale for $4.99 and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. I'll pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. We all have a 4 off 2 digital coupon and I also have a 2 off 10 Crest CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take us $6 and I'll pay $3.98, get 3 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I'll pick up will be the Nivea Lotion. It's on sale for $4.99 and it's part of buy 1 get 3 back. I'll pick up 1 and I have 2 $1 off CRT. I got one last week and I also got one this week. The 2 CRTs will take off $2 and I'll pay $2.99 and get 3 back, making it free. Let's go over my receipt and see how this transaction worked out. All the coupons and the CRTs I mentioned earlier on all came off. I used $5.16 in extra care box, paid $1.81 plus tax out of pocket, and I got $3 back for the use ring deal and $3 back for the Crest deal. The next deal I'll pick up is the Gillette Venus disposable razors. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $4 back. I'll pick up a Venus disposable razor priced at $11.79 and a Gillette disposable razor priced at $8.99. Since they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, the cheaper priced one will be the half off. I'll pay full price for the Venus razor and the Gillette will be $4.50. We all have a $3 digital coupon for the Venus razor and I also have a 4 off 10 Venus disposable razor CRT. And there is a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette and I have a $2 CRT that also applies to it. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $12 and I'll pay $4.29, get 4 back, making them 29 cents or 15 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get 10 back and Aqua is part of this deal. These ones are from facial care section. If you get the one from the lotion side, it will not give you the $10 back. And they are priced at $6.99. I'm going to pick up 2 for a total of $13.98 and I'll use 2 $2 tier pad coupon that will take off $4 and I'll pay $9.98, get 10 back, making them free. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. The 2 $2 coupon did not apply, but the cashier adjusted the price to $4.99 instead of $6.99, but the other coupons and CRTs applied. I used $14 extra care box, paid 26 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got $4 back for the Gillette deal and $10 back for the Aqua deal. I switched card and I picked up 2 more Aqua ointment priced at $7.79 and it's part of buy 2 get 10 back. Both will total $15.58. I will use 2 $2 coupon that will drop it down to $11.58. I will pay that and I'll get 10 back, making them $1.58 or 79 cents each. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. It worked out very well. The 2 $2 coupon came off. I used $10 extra care box, paid $1.58 out of pocket plus tax, and I got $10 back. The next deal I'll pick up will be the 5-ounce use ring lotion. It's on sale for $4.99 and it's part of buy 1 get 3 back. This deal is the same as the Nivea deal I shared earlier on, so you have to pick one. I will use a $2 tier pad coupon and I'll pay $2.99, get 3 back, making it free. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. The coupon applied. I used $3 extra care box, adjusted down to $2.99. I only paid tax and I got $3 back. The next deal I'll pick up is spend 12 get 5 back on Hask hair care. I'll pick up 1 leave-in spray priced at $8.29 and 2 deep conditioner masks priced at $2.89 each. These 3 items will total $14.07. I have 2 CRTs for these items. One is $4 off and the second one is $3 off. That means $7 in CRT will apply to this deal. And I'll pay $7.07, get 5 back, making them $2.07 or 69 cents each. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. The 2 CRTs applied and I used $7.05 in extra care box, paid 2 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got $5 back. The next item I picked up is the Plum Beauty Sonic Facial Cleanser. Originally priced at $19.99, but it's on 75% clearance. Now it's priced at $4.99. I picked one up and I used the $5 extra care box that adjusted down to $4.99 and I paid tax out of pocket. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.